German verbs with prepositions, a visual guide for A1, A2 learners to master essential verb-preposition combinations. Spielen mit, English meaning to play with, case use dative. Usage not, use when playing with someone or something. Example sentence, Ich spiele mit meinem Freund. English translation, I play with my friend. Freuen auf, English meaning to look forward to, case used Akkusativ. Usage not, use when anticipating something with joy. Example sentence, Ich freue mich auf das Wochenende. English translation, I look forward to the weekend. Warten auf, English meaning to wait for, case used Akkusativ. Usage not, use when waiting for a person or a thing. Example sentence, Ich warte auf den Bus. English translation, I wait for the bus. Helfen bei, English meaning to help with, case use dative. Usage not, use when helping someone with a task. Example sentence, Ich helfe dir bei den Hausaufgaben. English translation, I help you with the homework. Denken an, English meaning to think about, case used Akkusativ. Usage not, use when thinking of a person or a thing. Example sentence, Ich denke an dich. English translation, I think of you. Sprechen über, English meaning to talk about, case used Akkusativ. Usage not, use when discussing a topic. Example sentence, Wir sprechen über das Wetter. English translation, we talk about the weather. Fragen nach, English meaning to ask for, about, case used dative. Usage not, use when asking about information or directions. Example sentence, Ich frage nach dem Weg. English translation, I ask for directions. Suchen nach, English meaning to search for, case used dative. Usage not, use when looking for something or someone. Example sentence, Ich suche nach meinem Schlüssel. English translation, I search for my key. Hören von, English meaning to hear from, case used dative. Usage not, use when receiving news or information from someone. Ich höre von meinem Freund. English translation, I hear from my friend. Schreiben zu, English meaning to write about, case used dative. Usage not, use when writing about a specific topic or subject. Example sentence, Ich schreibe zu diesem Thema. English translation, I write about this topic. Lachen mit, English meaning to laugh with, case used dative. Usage not, use when laughing together with someone. Example sentence, Ich lache mit meinen Freunden. English translation, I laugh with my friends. Beginnen mit, English meaning to begin with, case used dative. Usage not, use when starting something with an action or object. Example sentence, Ich beginne mit dem Unterricht. English translation, I begin with a lesson. Arbeiten mit, English meaning to work with, case used dative. Usage not, use when collaborating with someone or using a tool. Example sentence, Ich arbeite mit meinem Team. English translation, I work with my team. Fahren zu, English meaning to drive to, case used dative. Usage not, use when traveling to a place or a person. Example sentence, Ich fahre zu meiner Oma. English translation, I drive to my grandmother. Wohnen in, English meaning to live in, case used dative. Usage not, use when indicating where someone lives. Example sentence, Ich wohne in Berlin. English translation, I live in Berlin. Gehen in, English meaning to go into, case used Akkusativ. Usage not, use when entering a place or building. Example sentence, Ich gehe in die Schule. English translation, I go into the school. Sitzen in, to sit in, case used dative. Usage not, use when sitting inside a place or enclosed space. For example, Ich sitze im Klassenzimmer. English translation, I sit in the classroom. Stehen neben, English meaning to stand next to, case use dative. Usage note used when standing in front of something or someone. Example sentence, Ich stehe neben meinem Freund. English translation, I stand next to my friend. Lieben mit, English meaning to love with, case use dative. Usage note used when expressing being loved by someone. Example sentence, Ich liebe mit ganzem Herzen. English translation, I love with all my heart. Kaufen für, English meaning to buy for, case used, Akkusativ. Usage not used when buying something for someone. Example sentence, Ich kaufe ein Geschenk für meine Mutter. English translation, I buy a gift for my mother. German prepositions reference. Here is a summary of German prepositions covered in this guide along with their meanings, cases and example usage. Zum Beispiel, for example, durch, through, gegen, against, ohne, without, seit, since, zwischen, between, unter, under, über, over, above, vor, before, in front of, hinter, behind, gegenüber, opposite, trotz, despite, während, during, wegen, because of. Vielen Dank, auf Wiedersehen.